Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it's the 21st of July, I'm up in Auckland, it is bucketing down. Just hitting the road now, 7 o'clock to pick some clients up.
Way too cold outside, so I am going to stay inside and get some office work done with the fire going, and then I might venture outside after lunch and see what I can do in the tunnel house. I've got a few things to put in there. What a horrible wintry day we're having today. Winter is definitely back.
It's about 10:30, I've made it to Waitomo Caves. Been a really good morning so far, really nice customers, everything's going really well. They've just shot into the caves now, I've just done my logbook. I'm going to go and have a cup of coffee, I'm thinking. Well, caves are done, next stop Hobbiton. Everything's going well, still not raining.
One day I'm gonna go to Spain, but I guess I got distracted. Guess I'll add it to the list.
I have made it to Hobbiton, it's still not raining, which is awesome. Clients are in having some lunch. Got 2.5, maybe 3 hours here while they're in the tour. So good to have a bit of a break and stretch my legs and get some fresh air, it's going to be great.
One day I'm gonna move away, but I'm not sure if I'm there yet.
I cannot warm up today. It is freezing. But I'm going to have to venture outside again. I want to get a couple things into the tunnel house, get them out of the cold, and hopefully they'll grow a little bit better. I'm just going to have to show you what I'm doing because the wind's no good for audio. God, that's heavy. Warm in here still. Oh my god. by the way.
Indestructible, wild party animals. Horizon is changing, new world rearranging. This fear is contagious.
Yep, it's not going very far.
I just wanna be myself for a day.
There.
Follow me and no one else today. I just wanna be myself for a day. Follow me and no one else today. Tell them all what we've done. We're children of the future. Run when we tell you to run. Come join the revolution. Stand up and throw down your guns. The new generation. Run when we tell you to run. Let's start a revolution. Let's start a revolution.
Right, well that's a start. Not much there, but I don't want to put too much in here because I'm just going to have to move it again when we put the garden in the middle. The wind seems to have died down a bit now. Get some wood in before I've got to pick those kids up. And then cat. What are you doing? Cat, you're knocking the wood down for me.
Let's start a revolution. Let's start a revolution. I just wanna be myself for a day.
What have you got?
A flower. I've got an axe.
That is not an axe. Flax flower. What's a flax flower called?
It's a blue kagaka.
A what?
Puanga.
Puanga.
That's a star though. It's a star.
Oh.
It's 3:30, clients are still on the Hobbiton Tour. I've got a fair bit of time left to wait. It's still not raining, so I'm happy, but the wind is mighty cold. Guess I'll get out and get some fresh air. I've done all my emails, not sure what else I need to do for an extra hour. No doubt I'll come up with something.
But what if it's down to the last grain of sand in the hourglass, faster than all of my plans ever come to pass? Only God knows when it's finally time. What if I had one day before I die? I said one day I'm gonna call him back, but right now I'm kinda busy. Yeah, one day I'll drive out to their house, but now I'm stuck in the city. Guess I'll let him do the
Well, I'm back in Auckland, just quickly cleaning the car before we go back to the house. Then I've got to do the inside, so I'm not sure if I'll get a chance to do that tonight, but it's 7 o'clock now and I've still got edits to do, so running on schedule-ish. Oh, might be done. Oh, it's got to dry now. No, done.